What's happening? It's your boy LS Chevy Ride 89 back with another one. And we back on this Panoramic. So I need to get Dame's Caprice, this chair up out of there and whatnot. Get this all ready. So damn, I forgot I locked the car up. So let me go in and go grab this key and let's get busy. Sorry about that, y'all. Chevy. My boy ain't got the tilt column. That's still good. Came right out. This is what my boy got for the drain lines. I want to go test one of these. Let's test one of these right quick. Make sure she works. Let's get this over to the roof. I had to make this work. Drain line hole is a little bit too small for the Cooper. I'm gonna have to make that work. Alright, just testing everything out, getting it centered, just seeing what I gotta work with. You can see the overlap a little bit. Yeah, see the overlap. So work on that, getting a little excess skin off, and get ready and cut this hole. Cut this hole up out of there. Showing y'all the next process of what I'm doing. It's good. It's a lot of roof. That's a lot of glass. We got action up there. Got the hole out. Metal over there. Looks like I'm gonna have to move this brake light. Right, y'all. So we got everything in there as far as the frame. I gotta do some work right here to the front on getting this ready, but the sides and the back is all ready. So I gotta pull this drain line back in. So yeah, got a little overhang from this excess skin on the frame of the sunroof. But other than that, yeah. So I think I'm gonna have to pop these clips out back here, back there. Got one of them hanging. Got to finagle with the other one to get them to come out, and might have to do something with this brace. I don't know, I'm finna take a break for right now, but just might have to. All of that is looking good. So oh, excuse me, y'all, sorry. I went for a ride, but yeah, everything's looking good so far. So next update, hopefully I can get the glass, have the glass in, and well, sorry, not next update, well, probably within the next hour I should have the glass in, and it should be bolted up, and it's welded and fiberglass and body filler. So I'm just showing y'all this frame and showing y'all what I done did, and to make this frame work. So at the back I took some off, and then in the front I took some off too. So just slide right in. Gotta do some work. Gotta do some work right here. sorry. Let me get this camera about y'all. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to show y'all. So, yeah, gotta cut that out so this frame can be able to snug in the front. Everything else is good. I just am low on blades, so I'm gonna have to take a break, and I gotta do grocery shopping and stuff like that. So, but I'm finna throw a cover over this and get back to it a little later. Just showing y'all the process of throwing this in there. And you can see back here, I got back here is good. Just gotta get this little excess off, excess trash. Other than that, yeah, y'all. So stay tuned. And yeah, just take notes and jot down. If you're gonna be doing this, that's what you gotta do. Let me get Dame's little brake light, third brake light he did. Pretty sweet mod. Let's get this on over into the car, to this trunk. Bear with me, y'all. Okay. So my backyard look like a mess. I need to come out here and clean this up, man. But yeah, I'm gonna get back on that and get that dropped on up in there. Yep. All right, y'all. Starting the video off with a little zoom in. Nowhere near done. Just, I like to, this is my way of seeing the vision on how, on what I'm doing with this Mini Cooper roof. And this frame is a little different than, well, it's not, you know, it's similar, the same, but I don't know, it's a little different. I can tell you that for sure. But it's workable. So I got the trim. That's why you see excess skin over here in the front. I got the trim. So once I get ready and do my trim on the skin part, then I'll be ready to lay them and weld them on in. But as you can see, that is on tilt. That's a beautiful view. I thought it was some mod that some, you know, the other guys did with the double tilt for the glass in the back, but I didn't know that this was the second gen Cooper and that the first gen just, you know, does the tilt and slide back and the rear just stays. But on the second gen, that looks dope. That looks really dope. But yeah, guys, me and the wife had to run some errands, and we still got some errands to run, and so I need to go ahead and start shooting these errands and unwinding. I've been all day on, my whole body's full with this stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short for the day. And it looks like it's gonna rain. See some clouds forming and stuff like that, and got a dark cloud there. So yeah, I'm gonna throw the cover that Dane had ready for me. I'm gonna pull that cover out and throw it on top of the car, and I'm out of here. So all right, y'all, I'll see you guys later on. Hopefully sometime this week we'll be back on this vehicle. So if you guys like this video, rate, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys soon.